Present tense. Simple present tense is used to describe actions that are habitual, factual, or generally true. Example, she reads books every night. Might be a fact, it might be a habit, it is generally true. Present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening in the moment, speaking, or around the current time. Example, he's studying for his exam right now. It might be possible that when the speaker is saying this statement, the person is studying that moment. Present perfect tense used to describe actions that occurred at an uh, indefinite time in the past but have relevance to the present. A little related to the present. Example: they have eaten dinner already. We are talking about present, like we are talking about the past, but is somehow related to the present, right? Present perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions that started in the past, like that. Okay, but here, by this structure, by this table, we can understand the present tense structures, all the structures. Simple present, subject plus base form of verb. Example, she reads books every night. Present continuous, subject plus SMR plus present participle. He is studying for his exam right now. Present perfect, subject plus has have plus past participle. They have eaten dinner already. Present perfect continuous, subject plus has have plus been plus present participle. I have been working on this project for 3 hours. What is present participle? First of all, in the video of verbs, I have already discussed that present participle are the verbs that that got attached with ing. Means ing suffix is added to the verb to make it a present participle. What is past participle? It is the third form of a verb. Past tense. Simple past tense is used to describe actions that occurred and were completely at a specific time in the past. Example, she walked to school yesterday. Past continuous tense. This tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing or in progress at a specific time in the past. Example, they were playing football when it started raining. Uh, Also, there are, don't think that only these two are there for past tense, and for present there are four, but actually for present, past, future, each there are four types of tenses. So, also for past tense, there is past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. What is past perfect tense? This tense is used to describe actions that are completed before another past action or a specific point in the past. Means action that happened prior to any other action. I had finished my homework before dinner. And like that also, just read that. Okay, past tense structure. The same way I had given to you the structure for present tense, and now I'm giving you the structure for the past tense. Simple past, subject plus past form of verb. She read books last night. Past continuous. Subject plus was slash were plus present participle. He was studying for his exam at that time. Past perfect. Subject plus had plus past participle. Example, they had eaten dinner before the movie started. Past perfect continuous. Subject plus had plus been plus present participle. Example, I had been working on this on this project for 3 years before lunch. This was the structures for all the types of past tense, or for all the categories of past tense. We saw present tense, we saw past tense. Now let's move on to the future tense. Simple future tense. This tense is used to describe actions that will occur in the future, often based on predictions, intentions, or plans. Example, they will go to the beach next weekend. Future continuous tense. This tense is used to describe ongoing actions that will happen at a specific time or over a period in the future. Example, I will be studying at this time tomorrow. Now, today I am playing, but tomorrow I will be studying at this time. Okay, like that. Future perfect tense. This tense is used to describe actions that will be completed before a specified point or action in the future. Like it's a goal. It's a goal that the person has to fulfill. By next year, she will have completed her degree. She must be proud of herself now. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to describe actions that will continue up to certain point in the future. You can see the example, you can refer to it. Okay, now let's see the structures also. Simple future, subject plus will plus base form of the verb. She will read books tomorrow. Future continuous. Subject plus will plus be plus present participle. He will be studying for his exams at that time. Future perfect. Subject plus will plus have plus past participle. They will have eaten dinner by the time we arrive. Future perfect continuous. Subject plus will plus have plus when plus present participle. I will have been working on this project for 3 hours by 5 p.m. It is also given at a specified time that by 5 p.m. tomorrow I will have been working on this project for 3 hours by 5 p.m. Thanks for watching.